Hello there, how are you all? This is the third and final part of my previous still life. In this video, you will understand how I am going to apply details on every subject and object, on the still life and the background images. So, first of all, on those tomatoes, use dark brown. You must mix the brown with red color, and you need to apply them under the downside of the tomatoes, and also blend them with water and apply white color as a highlighted on those tomatoes. You also can see that I am applying the dark background image behind the tomatoes because you know that every subject have a dark shadow, so you must apply this. And after you have applied those dark background, your subject will look better than before. Now apply the dark black with brown and the pale orange on the downside. I need more time to complete that dark side because this is the gouache and you must keep patience to mix them. The problem you will face when you are mixing those gouache paint, that the desired area you are going to mix, sometimes they will not cooperate with you. Suppose that you are going to apply light and dark together side by side, but they will not going to give you proper result. Okay, so that's why you must be careful. After a couple of times I have complete the downside of dark and light image. Behind the candle, I'm going to use the light orange with white, and obviously you know that you must mix them with water. Now you can see it look better than before. Also, you must apply the candle shadow. The candle is circling only one side, but when you going to create the 3D effect into your work, you must apply those shadow on every subject. Also the highlighted, like you can see that I am putting the white directly on subject, that it will give your work like light is going to directly reflect it into your work. In gouache experience, I can only tell you one thing, that you must need a proper knowledge of mixing color. I mean mixed and blend, and also you must need that how to create more different kinds of brush stroke. That's why you can use any kinds of brush, or you can see there is lots of brush texture in market. You can choose from there, because different brush, different texture. I complete this work only with 2 or 3 brush. Those brushes are my favorite brush, and I keep using those brush from last 15 to 16 years. And those brush is really sharp for me, and I can create anything with those brushes. And I apply those brushes for my watercolor, oil color, acrylic, gouache, and many more. Now I apply some light orange, like a vibrant orange. So you can create it by mixing red and orange, or red with yellow, and apply those on those tomatoes. Also the upper portion of the FD subject, the black head I have created, you can see, and also I have put the solid white color so that it will reflect and give your work a more nice look. This Artex gouache is really too good for me. I have used previous times, when I was not using the YouTube and I was not created the YouTube channel. On the time I used the Mia or Himi gouache. Those color is okay, the average, but not so vibrant like Artex. And Artex have a good quality to mixed color properly with, and this color easily activate anytime. Just apply some water with your color and those color easily activate. So there is 2 or 3 difference between Artex and Himi or Mia gouache, that Artex have the ability to create more texture, more color. You don't need more color to cover the whole area. Just a little color from Artex that give you good coverage to complete your work. But in Himi and Mia, you need more color to complete the whole work, because the color vibrancy and the pigment quality is too low in Himi and Mia. The second part is that after complete your work, you can see that in Mia or Himi gouache, those are going to look crack. I mean, after complete your work start to cracking inside, and after few times those colors going to be destroyed. Like those colors try to be came out from your work. But in Artex, after mixing all those colors, I can experience with this work, the recent work, this color is still in his own position, and no crack, nothing, and look too nice. And the third and most important problem I faced with Mia and Himi, that dried out your color, you need activation liquid from those companies. They are selling those activated liquid to active your color again. But in Artex you don't need any activated liquid. Just put the water, and you can use this color again and again, no matter how many times it's going to dry. You can use this color anytime by just using some water to activate them. You can see my work, that this work look so vibrancy. So that's all for today. See you soon with my next tutorial with gouache or watercolor or any other media. Till then, take care. Bye bye.